this GTO was so nice. It has nothing to do with the Plymouth that I'm about to show you, but I couldn't help myself, and I just had to show it to you guys. I figured we'd get an interview with some of the people that were working the event, so you can kind of get an idea of how people feel about the event that actually live here.
My name's Paul. I actually live down here on the coast in Van Cleve. I've been doing Cruisin the Coast since 15, and I always work the back gate because that way I can get to see every car that's registered come through, and I think that just makes it special. My wife owns a 62 Corvette, so come Thursday and Friday we'll be doing a lot of cruising ourselves.
This is our 1968 Plymouth Fury III. It was originally our great-grandmother's car, and then our grandfather took it. He restored it started the restoration back in 2001, finished it in 2005, just in time for Katrina to hit. We're from here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and then it got flooded. So
You from here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so I experienced that too.
It had to get redone again.
Yeah.
He passed last August. We purchased the car from him and my grandmother about 3 or 4 years ago.
Okay.
So we've just been taking care of it. This is the way that he built it. His name is Pauline in honor of his mother. And she's got 53,000 original miles on it.
Wow. Is this the original color?
Original color, not the original paint.
Okay.
Yeah. Believe it or not, he used the air shocks in the back, and he would crank it up and would tow his boats down to the point in Pascagoula, and would use this car
with the car.
Would use this car to launch boats. So the back end got rusted and stuff, and so it had to be redone.
Had to be changed out.
Yeah, after he redid it in 2001 to 5, he was no longer towing boats with it.
So other than that, pretty original then, huh?
Yeah, original 318 that's in it, 4-barrel carb, upgraded. Don't ask me what cam he put in it, but he put a cam in there, and hooker headers and exhaust, and that's it. Other than that, it's all factory.
You got any more plans with it? You gonna keep it original? Or?
We're trying to keep it the way it is.
Keep it the way it is.
Yeah,
it's nice.
I really want to take a big body like this and bag it, but because this was my great grandmother's and then my grandfather's, and he's the one that restored it, I want to honor their memory.
More respect.
Yeah. So we're just gonna maintain it for what it is, and then if we get a little frisky and want to modify another classic, we're just gonna have to go buy something else.
There you go. There you go. So I'm guessing you're expecting to pass this one down the line, huh?
Hopefully so.
Yeah.
Give me over the trunk page.
Sure. How cool is that? That he took this car that was his great grandmother's, passed down to his grandfather, and then made it his own, but kept it as original as possible. That's a hope that I have for, maybe me and my son and anybody else going forward, that be able to take what I made and he'll be able to make it his own, but keep it tasteful and pass it on. It's a legacy. That's crazy. That's something special about these cars. You're gonna come across a lot of people that got them or had things going with their families, and they just have those memories to share and those cars to remember those people by. As you can see here on the board, there's already 9,000 cars at this point, and I want to say this was maybe Tuesday afternoon. You already had 9,000 cars registered. That's not even counting the cars that were down just riding around. So there's no telling how many cars were actually on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.